Escape. Oops. Thank you. Sorry about that. Um, and Ornithology consists of birds as the main subject, and zoology consists of all other animals except for birds. Um, and as usual, there is no hand of man permitted in any of the nature images. So now, could you all turn off your video and mute yourselves if you're not already muted? Because we want to try to save bandwidth, and we'll get started with the competition. Let me, judges, you can unmute if you like. Judges, are you seeing my Photo Contest Pro?
Yes.
Okay, good. I just wanted to be sure when I went between screens that we'd be okay. All right, hang on one second. I want to turn off my other laptop to make sure that that's not interfering with my signal here. Okay. So the first contest is botany, and we have 48 images. So for Spring Nature Botanical, Amaryllis bud. '21. Shadow leaf. '20. Judges, you do not need to enter, just enter your number. Oops. Monarda in the mist. '22. Coneflower. '19. Bug on flower. '18. Standing out. '20. Spiderwort. '21. Anemone up close. '23. Star of Beauty. '22. Flowers. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to DQ this one. We don't. Yeah, we don't allow in-camera manipulation in NJFCC. Sorry. The seed. '19. Claret cup cactus bloom. '22. Dahlia. '22. Yellow marigold. '23. Casting to the wind.
Mary, could you move your pointer away?
Okay, I can't see my pointer. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, thank you. 25. Dancing Dahlia. 21. Enjoying the sunshine. 22. Saguaro cactus. 21. Paradise in the abstract. 20. Rolled beauty. 21. Out of the dark. 23. Backlit blue poppy. 21. Sun-kissed bloom. 21. Hole in the tree. 21. Echeveria. 23. Nodding red trillium. 22. Tulip bud. 21. Loving the sunlight. 20. Sinuous grace. 23. Tulip in a window. 20. Better from the side. 22. Lily. 20. Poinsettia. 21. I'm shy. 21. Into the iris. 22. Lady's slipper orchid. 23. Magnolia. 25. Cosmos intricacies. 22. Perfection. 21. Himalayan blue poppy. 23. Cicada ornamental. 22. Birth of the iris. 21. Blue poppy somewhat purple. 21. I'm Mr. Blue. 21. Always room for more luck. 20. Star magnolia. 21. Yellow flower. 20. Think spring. 21. Okay, judges, we are going to need to select between the top two. I'm just looking here. 10 total, 7, 8.5. So first of all, let me show you these two. And if you want to just give me a 1 and a 0 for whichever one you want to get the medal, we can, hopefully get it in just
That's
one
fine.
look.
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Everybody ready? So, okay. So just put in a 1 or a 0 for the one you wish to get the medal. Okay. It looks like this one is going to get the medal for 2 of you. This will get the merit. Now I need a total of 10. So 7, 8, 9. Um, hmm. Let's just run through these 10 and have you just give it an in and out. I'm really only looking for one, but I'll take 1 or 2. So you
Can you
can
show
pick one
us the
or
thumbnails or no?
yes, I will.
Thank you.
Just takes me a while to get there. So let me just run through these and just keep in mind that you want to pick, say, 2 or even 3 of your favorites, and then I'll let the one with the most ones get it.
We're just on pass through now, right?
Yeah, this is just a pass through, and so I just want
Okay.
you to have an opportunity to see all of them.
No, I just wanted to make sure.
Okay, not a problem. Okay, so I'll run through them. Like I said, pick 2 or 3 of your favorites and
Do you
see
want
who gets
ones and zeros?
just ones and zeros, please. And then, you know, hopefully you've decided on a couple that you like. Okay. Okay, perfect. That'll get me where I need. I've got two that had two of your votes. So I've got 11 total. Okay, for the Spring Nature Botanical Contest, the honorable mentions go to Anemone Up Close, Bob Ballantyne, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Claret Cup Cactus Bloom, Steve Romnack, Sparta Camera Club. Yellow Marigold, Marv Kaminsky, Sparta Camera Club. Enjoying the Sunshine, Sarah Mullins, Sparta Camera Club. Out of the Dark, Jacek Kowalski, Ridgewood Camera Club. Echeveria, Mary Fettis, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Sinuous Grace, Michelle Barnia, Sparta Camera Club. Lady Slipper Orchid, Charlotte Farlow, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Himalayan Blue Poppy, Sarah Mullins, Sparta Camera Club. And the merit goes to Magnolia, Stacy Waring, Sparta Camera Club. And the medal goes to Casting to the Wind, Bob Dowd, Monmouth Camera Club. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you, judges. The general category has 31 images. Grand Tetons. '21. Hyperhumus marsh. '21. Kachina woman standing guard. '19. Stream after the snow. '19. Quiver tree at sunset. '21. Joshua tree.
Mary, move your up.
Is it in again?
Yeah, okay, that's good.
All right, thanks. '21. At the top of the world. '22. Edge of spring, Yellowstone. '24. Superstition Mountain, Arizona at night. '24. The Skelligs. '18. Nature's Canvas. '20. Resistance. '19. LBI Winter Sky. '20. Nature's Ice Design. '21. The Falls. 18. Oops. Hunter's head. 22. View from above. 21. Icy stream. 19. Only trees were swimming this morning. 22. Autumn whispers. 22. Dripping wet. 21. Sunrise at Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge. 19. Lower Falls. 20. Surf's Up. 22. Forged by the Atlantic.
Deer hand or man in there on the right-hand side?
On the right side, that looks like a sandy beach, or is there something else I'm missing?
I'm seeing something that looks pretty flat.
The flat brown, I think that's just the sand on the beach because there's another piece of it in the
Okay.
center at the
Yeah, it
bottom.
looks like sand.
Okay.
So go ahead and score it as an
Yeah.
image. Thank you. 20. Snowscape. 22. What a gift of a sunset. 17. Three trees. 20. Trees versus tides. 24. Yosemite National Park Twin Falls. 18. Jordan Pond. 24. Oh, okay. We're going to, I need 6. We need to choose between these 4. So let me bring them all up and go through them and pick which one that you think deserves the medal. And the others will get the merit.
Do you want us to do in and out or just pick one?
Did you want to talk about it, or do you want to do an in and out and see where we get if we can
Why
get
don't we do it now?
in and out? Did you say?
Yeah, why don't we do that? That's faster.
Okay, let's do that the first time and see if we
Yeah.
can agree on the one,
Yeah.
and go from there. Okay, it looks like you all agree here. Oops, wait, sorry. Three, 4, 6. Okay, in this next group, I only need 6, 3, 4. I only need half of these, so can we do an in and out on these, please?
Sure.
Let me bring them all up. And everybody okay, or do you need to look longer?
I'm good.
You're all of you?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
we're good.
Okay. Okay, 22, 2. So 5, 6. I need 6. And 4. All right, so I'll just go with these. HM. So now I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's what I need. Okay, for Spring Nature General category, the honorable mentions go to Only Trees Were Swimming This Morning, Steve Romnick, Sparta Camera Club. Snowscape, Lenny McDonald, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. And the merits go to Edge of Spring, Yellowstone, Marianne Moraine, Cranberry Digital Camera Club. Superstition Mountain, Arizona at Night, Susan Braunhut, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. And Jordan Pond, Bob Kochenthal, Sparta Camera Club. And the medal goes to Trees versus Tides, Frank Urbaniak, Sparta Camera Club. I'm going to start to be suspicious of Virginia, who's running our Zoom tonight. If she's influencing you guys.
Whatever works.
Okay. Judges, well, for the rest of you, if you didn't know, Ellen had to step out, and Virginia Kolstad from Sparta Camera Club is running the Zoom for us tonight. So, just an inside joke. Judges, everybody okay? Nobody needs a break?
Yeah, I'm
No.
good.
I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. The ornithology group, everyone's okay still?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay. I heard a last comment and I didn't hear what it was. Ornithology, we have 56 images. And, oh, come on. There we go. Okay, is my cursor out of the way?
No.
It's not.
No, it's on
Okay,
the corner. It's below.
it's okay. All right. Well, tell
Yeah,
me.
once you have the pictures, it will be
It's
okay.
fine where it is.
Okay, pre-flight stare down. 23, waved albatross welcome ceremony. 22, the perfect couple bald eagles. 23, duck. 20. Cardinal. 19. Hoping redbird. I think that might mean hopping redbird. 20. Winter robin.
Concrete's man-made.
You think that's not a natural? I'm not sure. It's kind of up to you. It could be
Like a stone.
it could be natural, or it could be, man-made.
All right, we'll score it.
Yeah, go ahead and score it, because I would have thought in the past 19, but then in northern New York and so far, there's rocks that are apparently natural. Summer's magical creatures. '21. Splish splash spoonbill. 21. Puffin second landing attempt, Vardo, Norway. 24. Green heron. 22. Deep in thought. 19. Learning to fly. 22. Fishing for lunch. 21. Black skimmer in flight. 22. Flying low. 19. Perched in the snow. 22. On the hunt. 22. Pileated woodpecker with ant. 22. Hitching a ride. 26. Follow the leader. 23. Osprey after a missed attempt. 21. Galapagos penguin. 20. The battle for a bite. 24. Brown violet ear hovering. 21. Flaps down. 20. Wings over water. 21. Plover. 22. Wee. 20. Feeding frenzy. 21. Camera shy. 20. Osprey with fish. 24. Angles of appetite. 26. Flamboyance. 22. American oyster catcher with clam. 'I didn't get a score from judge number 1. 22. Early bird gets the worm. 21. Kokoi with armored catfish. 23. Soft landing. 20. Tree swallow flyby. 21. Hummingbird in rain. 23. Sandhill crane. 20. Woodpecker and berry. 21. The kiss. 23. The gray ghost. 22. Three's a crowd. 21. Northern shoveler. 21. Tree for two. 23. Robin in winter. 21. No sharing today. 23. Basking in the setting sun. 18. Marbled godwit. 21. Feeding time. 22. How is my hair? 20. Glistening green tanager. 22. In flight. 21. Spoonbill landing. 21. Okay, we have 2 to pick from for the medal. So, judges, just a 1 or a 0. This one or this one? Oh, Jordan, we weren't quite ready, but go ahead. Okay, and okay, so this one will get the medal, the merit.
That was a real close one, though.
Yeah, they were very nice.
It was, yeah.
3, 4, 5. I need 11. 8, 5, 9, but we'll go ahead and go with all of these. 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Oops. Sorry, that one already has. So you couldn't go wrong, basically. You're telling me. Okay, the spring ornithological honorable mentions go to Pre-Flight Stare Down, Judy Sedlak, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. The Perfect Couple, Bald Eagles, Wendy Milligan, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Puffin Second Landing Attempt, Vardo, Norway, Susan Braunhut, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Follow the Leader, Peter Rathjen, Sparta Camera Club. The Battle for a Bite, Gedalia Rappaport, Rockland Photo Club. Osprey with Fish, Melinda Matlack, Cranberry Digital Camera Club. Kokoi with Armored Catfish, Wayne Cleaver, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Hummingbird in Rain, Lenny MacDonald, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. The Kiss, Jerry Deutsch, Monmouth Camera Club. Tree for Two, Susan Little, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. No Sharing Today, Gedalia Rappaport, Rockland Photo Club. And the merit goes to Angles of Appetite, Karen Bartosik, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. And our medal goes to Hitching a Ride, Butch Van Setter's Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Congratulations, everyone. Judges, still okay? We have 35 more images. Everybody good?
Bring it on. Bring it on.
Okay.
Looping and driving.
You're all good? Okay, good. Okay, here we go for zoology. Getting a new skin. 20. Messy eater. 20. Hoverfly. 24. Collecting pollen. 23. Safe with mom and dad. 22. Tree hugger. 21. Orangutan. 22. Jeremiah was a bullfrog. 21. Mama's little baby. 21. Sweet nectar. 19. Room for one more? Oh, I think
Yeah,
that's
there's
hand.
the hand of man. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a sawed log, so I'll DQ. Sorry, I missed it. Proud fisherman. 21. Sniffing the air. 21. Bear claw. 22. Diving orca. 20. Hello there. 22. Red-eyed tree frog. 21. From the shadows. 22. Peekaboo ICU. 22. Resting. 20. Pufferfish. 23. Filbert worm moth. 20. Motherly love. 23. How do I eat these? 18. Hornworm with wasp eggs. 20. Gesundheit. Oh, Gesundheit. 21. Pride. 21. Baby elephant. 21. Zebra for breakfast. 24. Assassin bug. 23. Flirting with me. 21. Green sweat bee in chicory flower. 25. Do not touch. 21. Early morning. 22. Ponies of Chincoteague Island. 20. Ooh, you guys picked a nice single image for my medal. Let's see. I need 7. Oh, look at this. You guys must have been in a hurry tonight.
Yeah, did it show?
No, it's just that you came up with perfect numbers here. Okay. All right. For Spring Nature Zoological Contest, the honorable mentions go to Collecting Pollen, Linda Van Setter's Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Pufferfish, Wolfgang Whitling, Morris Photocolor Club. Motherly Love, Jan Bartosik, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Assassin Bug, Linda Van Setter's Camera Naturalist Photo Club. And the merit goes to Hoverfly, Judy Sedlak, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. Zebra for Breakfast, Wayne Cleaver, Camera Naturalist Photo Club. And the medal goes to Green Sweat Bee and Chicory Flower, Bruce Goodman, Essex Photo Club. Congratulations, everybody. You even gave a medal to our host club. Very nice.
Wow. Congratulations, everybody. Great images.
Okay,
Absolutely
let
great.
me see if I can stop sharing and close this. And that's all I have then. Thank you all for coming tonight.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
thank you,
Thank you
judges.
to our judges.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye. Good
Thank
night.
you.
we're good. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you.